Good morning, dear children. In the last class, we had discussed about different kinds of beaks that birds have according to their feeding habits. And so, their feet and claws also differ in shape and size. All the birds have 2 feet with toes that are used for walking, picking things, catching and holding food. So dear children, before moving further, let us try to understand what are claws. C-L-A-W-S, claws. Basically, claws are long, curved nails present on the feet of birds. Different birds have different types of claws. Let's start with the birds like sparrow and crow. Such birds have long and slender claws. Slender means slim, with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. These birds can hold the branches of trees firmly even while sleeping. Such birds are called perching birds, as their claws help them to perch on the tree branches and wires. Talking about some preying birds such as eagle, vulture, and hawk have strong and sharp claws. These claws help them to catch and hold their prey firmly and then carry it away. Moving on to running or scratching birds like hens, use their sharp horny claws to scratch the earth for seeds and worms. Such birds have strong feet with 3 long toes in front and a short hind toe. Birds like cranes and heron are called wading birds, as they have thin and long legs with wide spreading toes. These toes prevent the feet from sinking in the soft mud. Last but not the least, let's talk about swimming birds like duck, penguin. They have special webs of skin between each of their toes. Basically, they have webbed feet which helps the bird to swim easily. Children, do you know? Though penguin is a flightless bird, but penguin is a very quick swimmer.